Crypto Growth fam. How's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network, the bridge to global finance. So it's going to be an interesting video, guys. Make sure to watch till the end. And guys, if you're new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, guys, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Now, without further ado, let us begin first and foremost with the price of XPR Network at the time of the recording, guys. Let us begin. So, guys, XPR Network is down 3.71% for the day. The price is $0.00074778. Market cap with the current circulation $18 million approximately, and a fully diluted market cap of approximately $21 million. So it has basically broken out from the support, the daily support basically. Let us look at the other timelines as well, the 7-day chart. So yeah, it has broken a key support level over here as well, 0.000768. Let us look at the monthly chart. It has gone down 32.20% for the month. Let us look at the yearly chart. It is down 64.39% in the year. Now, this is where some crucial levels are coming into play, guys. This range over here, guys, 0.007393. This is a crucial range, 0.000072. Basically, anywhere from the 7 range, 0.0007, and yeah, these levels over here. If it breaks through the support, then it is going to be testing the support range of 0.005844. But guys, in my opinion, XPR network is down significantly, 98.86% in its all-time chart. If you look at the BTC as well, let me show you guys. The market is reacting to the dip, the recent dip of Bitcoin. So it is down 4.456% for the day. But let me show you the all-time chart to let you know the broader perspective. Yeah, this is a crucial support line over here, guys. So even XPR Network and all of these other projects that I've been checking out, they also are heading towards a crucial support line, all of them, along with Bitcoin as well. So in my opinion, this will, I think, sustain this range over here. These are some crucial areas. Guys, if this falls down from 36,000 and onwards to 30,000 or 30K or 29K, guys, I think there's going to be significant blood in the market. I know it's going to be a mess, but not financial advice, but I think it's going to be sustaining 36 range, or at least this range over here, the almost 38,000, 37,000, 36, yeah. So not financial advice. Anything can happen in crypto. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Now, guys, I'm going to be sharing some interesting new stories and discussions on XPR Network. You're going to be liking it. We share both the sides, guys, the good and the bad as well. Like I share good as well as the sides, like the Sleeping King. In one comment, they're calling XPR the Sleeping King. In the other comment, XPR, people come to crypto for its deflationary nature, and then there are projects like XPR. They are talking about the supply increase that happened, so the bearish sentiments, a lot of stuff. But XPR themselves, they're calling the project the bridge to bridging the world to the blockchain. They are basically calling themselves the bridge. The bridge to global finance. And why is that so? Let me show you. So yeah, let me show you guys. Yeah. Bridging the world to the blockchain, basically. So I'm calling it the bridge to global finance anyways. So But to make that happen, they need to basically tackle around some negative points as well that the community time and again brings, guys. And I saw certain comments. I'm going to be sharing them with you guys. They have to basically tackle these negative points to become that bridge to global finance, in my opinion. The supply, that the increase that happened, a lot of people are concerned about that. Still, they are concerned that, yeah, if it happened once, it can happen again. But let me show you another thing. Public announcement from XPR Network Consortium. In our commitment to uphold XPR Network block producer code of conduct, particularly the transparency and accountability clause, the consortium has conducted a thorough investigation into the activities of Dank BP and its associations. Our findings suggest that a breach of this clause, indicating undisclosed affiliations and potential conflicts of interest involving Proton KV. Accordingly, after a unanimous vote, we are enacting the Kick BP action against both Dank BP and Proton Kiwi. This decision underscores our resolve to maintain a transparent, ethical, and equitable blockchain ecosystem. So, guys, if you do not know the block, let me show you the block producers. Who are the block producers? Basically, block producers are the backbone of the XPR network. They ensure swift, secure, and seamless transactions, powering our decentralized ecosystem 24/7. BPs receive daily rewards in XPR for producing blocks. So basically, they produce blocks. If you do not know, if you're already acquainted with crypto, you know what block producers are. They get rewards and all of that stuff. Now, what has happened that XPR network has detected some anomalies and irregularities in the activities of Proton Kiwi, Dank BP. So they've basically investigated and taken some actions against them. So a lot of people are there is support, as well as a lot of people are saying that it is not the ethos of decentralization, and this is a centralized approach to dealing with stuff. So this is a detailed investigation on basically the block producers, unmasking the sock puppets, the quest for true decentralization, and the XPR network. Some are calling this move towards a move towards decentralization, whereas others are saying that no, this is a extremely hostile measure which should have happened much more meticulously. So you guys can read this piece of article. I went through this basically. So the result is that Proton Kiwi here has responded. Unfortunately, the consortium, made up of multiple members that have a strong disliking of me, have come up to a conclusion by assumptions. No communication or questions were asked. A full rundown on their assumptions will be made soon. The comment is, mate, don't go there. The proof is in the pudding. We've all seen it. You're good, but you're not good enough to get away with it. So I wish you all the best moving forward in this blockchain cryptocurrency world. And remember, there is always someone better that can work out what you're doing. The blockchain doesn't lie. So a lot of people are glad that, yeah, XPR network team has taken the XPR network basically has taken the right decision. It has the right network. LOL, LOL, what is all of this nonsense? This is a cool tool, the ElvoSec experience. No, it is not cool. Taking assumptions and slandering my brand online based on an assumption is not cool. This kind of thing can ruin lives. It's legitimately a background check. If one has something to hide, I can't see how it might mess up that, but this laid out its research for everyone to see. The research shows linked activities, but the end assumption is that I have violated the network agreement by controlling two producers, which is not proven. Basically, what has happened is that he has controlled two block producers and basically manipulated the network in one way or another, which is not proven, and I haven't been asked to clarify the linked activity. Okay, understood. And I'm fairly new with the rules here, since the research showed link activities. Did that technically void the contract, original agreements? I'd assume not. It doesn't in any way shape governance or network security, BP setting up and assisting the other block producers is common. Having continued access is where that is an issue. You can see on chain the revoking of access months ago. So he's saying that he's revoked it. He hasn't manipulated or he hasn't basically violated the agreements, the block producer agreements with the XPR in the XPR network. I guess the simple question here is, do you control both block producers that were mentioned in this original post, Dank and Kiwi? Are those both operated by you? Thanks, sir. So basically, two block producers being controlled. So they have basically tackled this issue, but a lot of people are saying that no, the video at the end, some people are saying that it is convincing, while others are saying what in the hell is going on. So this is another centralized move in this community. The first was doubling the token amount. Show us clear proof of these accusations, whereas others are saying the proof is significantly clear. It is basically clear. I still don't know what's going on, but it sounds like the community is getting screwed over again. They hate Kiwi since he started speaking out. They are going scorched earth on community right now. So I'm impressed by the roadmap of crypto unicorns. The RBW has huge potential. RIP XPR. I mean, I wouldn't go as far as to saying that this is RIP, but obviously these things happens and the progress is made by constant improvements in the network. Haha, XPR is alive and it will be in the future. A lot of polarizing comments, guys. Can fix this issue with more supply added. So this is a sarcastic comment here. RIP XPR, it was all good till it wasn't. Watch the show burn, what a scam. So a lot of people having a lot of different comments over here. So yeah, game over and all of that stuff. But in my opinion, guys, projects learn and improve, even businesses learn and improve. XPR has to take the right moves and keep the community, I think, also involved in decision making as well. In my opinion, that is the way. I think they need a proper DAO, basically a decentralized autonomous organization setting and an infrastructure of that as well. In my opinion, then they can go on and bridge the world of finance to blockchain. So, guys, I wanted to update you guys on what's happening with XPR. Do you hit the comments box below of what you think about, first and foremost, will XPR bridge the world of global finance to blockchain? And what steps it needs to take to do that? Did it take the right step over here? Or are you convinced with what is happening? Or are you amongst those who are saying that no, this is another centralized move and it shouldn't have happened and much more rigorous investigation should have taken place? So do it in the comment box below and discuss what you guys think. Yeah, I like discussions, so discuss it out in the comments. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And do support the channel by becoming a Patreon if you're interested. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.